Welcome back to English class, the at-home edition. Today we're taking a look at our student book first. As you recall, we looked over some vocabulary like life jacket, boxing, canoeing, take off, elbow pad, goggles, golf, and put on. Remember that take off and put on are opposites. So with this vocabulary, we can go into our workbooks. So we're looking at our workbook on page 84. You should have already done part 1, which was the crossword. If you didn't do this part, go back and look at the last video. I did the first 4 and left you with number 5 and 6. So we're going on to part 2, writing the sentences in reported speech. So there isn't going to be much of a change to these quotes. You can see they're in quotations, these marks. We're just changing it to reported speech. So the first one is done for us. Wear your seatbelt. He told me to wear my seatbelt. So let's do number 2. Go straight down that street and then take a left. Now it says she. So we're going to follow the same pattern. She told. She told me. She told me to go straight down that street and then take a left. So just like the first one, where he told me, the only difference is this time we're using she. She told me to. And last time the verb was wear. This time it's go. She told me to go straight down that street and take a left. Number 3. Give me one of those apples on the table. And just like before, he told me to. He told me to give him. So we had to change me to him. We know it's him because it's a he. So he told me to give him one of those apples on the table. So just a small change there. Number 4. Close the windows. So we have she. Again, she told me to. She told me to close the windows. I'll also do number 5 and number 6. Kick the ball into the goal. We have he. He told me to kick the ball into the goal. And number 6, go slowly and look out for other people. So we have they this time. but it follows the same pattern. They told me to. So they told me to go slowly and look out for other people. So most of those are the same, where he or she or they told me to. Then the verb either go, give, close, kick, or go. The only one change was give him, but the rest are pretty much like the example we have. Going on to part 3. Read and write what the swimming instructor told Tom in direct speech. So let's do number 1. He told me to take off my shoes. So the direct speech would be, take off your shoes. So in the blank, write, take off your shoes, and then it will match with this. He told me to take off my shoes. Number 2. He told me to take a shower. So this one is fairly easy. It's just take a shower. You could use go, but you don't need to. You could say go take a shower, or just take a shower. That would be direct speech. He told me to put on my life jacket. Now this is a swimming instructor, as they said here. Usually if you're swimming, you don't wear a life jacket. But in this case, he told him to put it on. So it'd be put on your. We would change the my to your. Put on your life jacket. That would be the direct speech. Put on your life jacket. So he told me to put on my life jacket. And the last one here. He told me to put on my goggles and swim fast. So again, we have my, we'll have to change to your. Put on your goggles and swim fast. So that is everything on page 84 that we need to do. Next time we'll take a look at some more vocabulary. And we'll be doing more speech bubbles using the direct speech and some instructions. So that's a little preview of what we'll be doing next time. So I hope that everybody is staying safe, wearing your masks, practicing social distance. So I hope to see you soon when our classes resume and the school is open again. Until then, take care and goodbye for now.